make sure talk now. Cause you see uno know that with uno, you know. That with uno now. No say me can't take bashing too long and shut up my mouth, you know. No say I can't do it, you know. So no push me till I just come out, you know. I'ma tell you this, you know. You see, if I know for my family, them way I say, yo, we don't want to see nothing do and blah, 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 and this and that, and for Chrome White. You don't know, I'm tell everybody go suck on no mother. You don't know that. Because anybody will know me know I'm genuine. And anybody will know me know I'm not thief. And anybody know me know I'm not take nobody blood clot money, especially poor people blood clot money. I'm not take nobody money and put my reputation on the line because I'm not licky. I'm not greedy. I'm not found to know that. No found might not like me. But when I time for talk facts, you can talk facts. Because I don't know some me in red. I don't know I'm in a licky. I could have push drugs, I could have sell weed, I could have sell pussy, I could have thief. I'm a work for my blood clot one. So what I now come go like say a loom make me have money. And a loom make this and a loom make that. I'm not even in a blood clot loom. More than me I advertise loom. A long time I have my things them from me a blood clot 16. I have my things them. I have my bed. Long time me and get a chat, me and get a cuss. And when me and get a blood clot cuss, me ever show them things. Me ever have money. Me ever have furniture. Me ever have food. Me ever have ear. Me ever have clothes. Me never shot at nothing yet. Nothing me not shot at. So the fuck on the fear come talk about a loom make me have things. On the fear say a loom make me have things that, and a loom give me this and a loom give me blood clot that. On the fuck on the fear say a loom give me no go like it's $100 blood clot $1,000,000. All of that money are gone with people who get pay out. Because everybody knows say people pay out blood clot people. 10 to 60 or 6 people pay out one person. I'm know to see more than 200 to 300 video go up with beer people get pay out and a beer stranger who I never seen in my life. And you know what at? People love help people too much and people them it ever fuck up because you come and you want help people and people that come school fee you want pay and me want pay my tuition and me na UE and this and that and me want back to school and me want this and me want a phone and me want a wig. And true you can't give people everything but you wish you can blood clot help people and say jump up and say you got advertise. I say you jump up and say you got advertise. When the man say you make people come off your back because I be a sad news in my blood clot them. And I don't know say me are not thief, but you know love go like a long time no found to see me a work and me a strive and it burn on to my heart. When you see me a strive and I work and it burn on to my heart, when you can't wait for something my blood clot come up with Nikki Chromazz for the whole and to jump on my back. Go suck on the mother. Me not blood clot make none of go like say me and a push over. Because I don't know what that would mean, you know. I not take no push over from nobody, you know. You not come talk about it. Look how much people on the sip on the video, you know what fucking hot. All of them people that will get pay out and gone. None of them, not one of them for come and say, yo, you know say, me get pay out and I'm thankful and no come off for the girl because me get a pay out. Be a skin teeth and kya, thief. What the fuck do you mean by thief? I have my things them a long time. Big blood clot, maga skeleton looking, dog shit, blood clot, drunk, falling a body, cable card, charger looking, suck with me shit. Crash for your blood clot, woman, you know so she don't have dry shit in her blood clot body. None half of the bumbo clot girl. But because Nikki have 2 car, Nikki have chrome white, Nikki have gold furniture, I work for that, I never suck a cocky, I never beg a blood clot boy yet. I work for my things. Wanna not sleep. When I sleep, me now I'm up 6 o'clock at night. I mix till my finger them a burn me. I mix till my finger them a burn me. I walk for blood clot my own and I come talk about thief for no mother. Thief never call for my name yet. I have a charger station. My friend them make me have money. I make money around me. I never take $1. Me eye no red. Me not take people blood clotting, so we not chat about thief. The whole of the day and see the whole of the video them. The whole of the see me advertise. When you come at the shop, you never see me yet. When you come at the shop, you never see my blood clot yet. I 1 and 2 times I can count, and when I come for check off my blood clot, stop them. You not come put nothing in my blood clot, and somebody go come to you and tell us that them pay for advertisement like what you normally do. I make them drop off for the blood clot location. What hard in that? You go like say everybody wanna do business with no know the name. No for no know my name and I chrome white on a blood clot call. So the fuck if me no know the man name? So why if me no know the man name? Eh? Una come go and like so why if me no see the man, me no know the man. Enough of them people on the promotion will just text me and come drop off money off of my shop. Enough people just come text me and come drop off money off of my shop. And when you come drop off money off of my shop, I just start my promotion. I don't want to hear nothing more. I just want to work. I say, yo, the money drop off. I start my promotion. Me a hustler. I not so I can sell and I not suck pussy. I mean a blood. I tell me about me not suck pussy. I suck pussy like dog. I not sell pussy. So I don't want nobody to come chat about a thief and the whole and I come laugh and a blood clot galavan. And feel like I can't take no step and I got blood clot cry. Yes, I cry, yes. Because my father want me and say, girl, this thing did come out long time, me am cash plus. And me did in there and I lose my money. I have some people where I gonna lose them money and I you take it for you have a brand. I said, daddy, I want to you. The man said the only way this can crash is if people stop coming in. You see me? And I say, yo, me know what the people, as long as you know make video and make people know say, people are coming and people are blood clot coming and people are coming. The thing can't crash. I saw my blood cleats and put it on my head and that me do put it on my head for help no for no big hungry belly people and not come go. And I testing not even this nobody in the loom neither and I'm not this nobody in the loom, you know. Because nobody in the loom. All know me no see a call where a girl say, hey girl, me want my money. Or a boy say, girl, me go kill if me not get no man. No girl, nobody in the loom now go and say everybody join it pan a risk and know. Enough people will join it. Did in a one already and it crash and them try off of my one so them don't know so something go on. You see me? Them don't know so something go on a long time. A people when not hey, una love bad mind people for blood clot things, you know. Una love bad mind. Stop watch what people have. Because that blood clot suck out maga dog. When you miss you when I have no fear thing crash and no jump on her and chat bow. More this and threaten life and kill, you know. The girl walk straight, the girl walk like any madman and half a tree and anywhere looking like a drugs out bitch everywhere, you know. And none of half of that girl there, you know. And when I think for sure you oh me not trouble people, I say people have trouble me, you know. I think crash and I see it. I could have go up and thing and I could have glow out and I could have laugh and I could have this and I could have that. And now anyone I want to say, me say something towards a girl when is a wicked. Because when I think crash and hear the thing crash, me never say nothing out of my mouth. Me never say nothing out of my mouth about that girl. I make it stay. Because no fun say my hype and the hype it's having a backbone. And I can't come go like you know want to talk to me and this me anyway. I'm take it and that. Me will never ever do that. So if I that you want from Nikki, you nah go get it, cause me nah go make nobody come talk to me. Yo, hey girl, me nah take it. Okay, you see true, me know so me nah walk and beg and thief and rob from nobody and I work for my own. Me no believe no man for come step to me and talk to me so way. Cause not even my father not chat to me certain way. So me no know how strange me not go come chat to me certain way. Or a girl go come chat to me certain way, me go take it. So me nah go ever like Nikki. But you nah come chat about my hype and me for humble and me for this and me this. I am humble. Because at the end of the day, when me deliver get home, I never really have no. At them time, them used to post and kill off myself. At them time, them used to say, I have this, I'm just buy the bedroom set, I'm just buy this, I'm have that, and me and I get because me throw money. When last time you see me, I do them some of there. I work and put up my chrome white and results and before and after and go through my blood clot there. And that me do. So now come chat about friends to this and friends to this. Some of them blood, you see, some of them friend here, or some of them so-called friend here. Some of them friends like you and go like them like you through hype, you know. And like you just because you're there on the hype and because you have a name, enough of them not like you. And my sister, enough of them not like you. And you know why enough of them not like me? Not even enough of them. One of them. Because I love talk my mind. I love talk my mind. I not go sit down and chat behind a girl. I not like what you do me, I tell you. And anybody can talk when you know me. That's my downfall. I love tell you what I go on in front of your face. So when people are going to tell us, say, Nikki said this, Nikki said that, you know, contact Nikki if you claim to say you're a friend or you care, you can come chat about fear loom. From a move out of the house. From a move out of the house, a 2 times a girl I ever see me, 2 times a dance. You don't know where me live, you don't know where me shop, then nothing. So all you have to stay from and tell people, say, I'm my loom and nobody loom. Eh? Oh, you feel say my room and nobody loom. A long time you want to sing people. A long time you want to sing people. Because you can see your so-called friend. I say a life at stake because you come post say certain things like that. Oh, you have to say certain things like that and I only see him when I see night and jump up and say put me night and put me night. And because me have a name and me can't get more people. Everybody knows so once people stop coming out to crash. I so come, they make the people them link me. I so comes they make the people them link me. I never want to walk and call up the name, call up the name, call up the name. I go like me and sing people. Me not stay so. But hype. Oh, people hype for make none walk over me. No will never and ever walk over me. Ever walk over me. Yeah? Yes, so I make sure in a one dark, I'm not even for dep on live. I'm not even for dep on the phone. But I can't take in no more everyone and go and not talk about Tiff and Nikki use body for do. Anybody will go design a body, go do them body, no say, you not pay your money same time. You pay your money before and them tell you what you have to do. Take up your vitamins, take up your iron, take up your this, do your blood test, do your heart test. Do them something there. Until you qualify, they just book your ticket and go away. So now come go like so I'm furniture don't know how long me away from the furniture don't look like a something when I get in a wadi yeah. Look how long. Look how long. I get my pay for my furniture before me even come move up here so I pay for my furniture them because I didn't want to move with my white furniture them because them cream and them bad color. I never want to move with certain things, spam with certain bad blessings. I want to move with everything new. That's why I say everything new in my house when I move. At them time, I'm not in a loom. So now come go like say a loom give people everything what them have. Most of the money are gone. Most of the money are gone and people will get paid. People will get paid. Because if 210 to 60 person pay out 100,000 that gone. You see tomorrow, me I gonna make sure post everybody will get paid and them signature. Cause everybody sign, you know. Me I get post everybody will get paid and them signature and refund and I go see how it go. See how it go. Don't go like so no one come go on like so no one come no standing enough for play with blood clot me no. Cause me no push over you know. Me no push over you know and you know say me sweet blood clot side you know. So you know so you will see all certain things and me even care what go on you know. And that's the only time you not gonna say me hype. At the only time that you not gonna say me hype. When me I show my blood clean face and I need for showing a face. You don't know when people dark and ignorant and cause all them ugly. Eh? Uno outada. Most of this a poor people get paid and you see one person come and say, yo, you know so me get paid and I'm thankful. Be a people, thief, and none of the people them are actually in it, nah say nothing bad. None of the people them are in it, nah say nothing bad. None of the people them are in it now say nothing bad. I be some strange people who want to see you feel a long time. I want to see you happy and you're alright and you're young girl and you're 24 and you're younger than enough of them big old tough turbid and you live better than them ignorant and why you drop off for the success we God give you. Everybody see me when I was nothing. I'm going to take my time on my bill. From chrome face to chrome girls to chrome white to promotion to Austin, to Chrome Wine, to Chrome Mondays. A long time me I try, a long time me I do things. So all the figure to see somebody finally I get a breakthrough in a life and now go like so no one come tell people say, who not go like so no one come chat about people hype because people proud of what them do. If somebody work them ass off and buy a fucking car and video the car, you hear the whole around no. Them hype. Oh you for hype for proud of what you do. Oh, you for proud of the work what you do and or the work finally pay off. Eh? I don't understand. Oh, you for proud of them something there. And then I go tell people say, a lie and thief. So I'm asking a question. You don't know me now. If me go with, so to speak, 6.7million, so me take that. Where is it showing? Because I carry them by my floor. My furniture buy before. I don't claim to some bad furniture. Alright, done. Furniture not even for 1.8 mil. Furniture under mil. What else? Una say me do? Me do my body. Body not even 2 mil. Or not even full. 1 and little bit. So, that about call it's a 2 point and where the rest of the whole of the money there? Una tell me, say, Nikki, could you build a house with that money? Nikki, could you build a apartment with that money? Eh? Nikki could do nothing at all with that money. Nikki just take that money and me can know where to show. Say that happen. Say that she take it. A Wally Pano want to see this long time, yeah? Wally Pano want to see this long time. Long time. In bank account where? In bank account where have I ever tell anybody to lodge anything in my bank account yet? And everybody know people. From me I lodge in your account. I'll be a questions I got ask. And I'm gonna go through, oh you make this, oh you come buy this, that tax and a bag of things. Stop move like the people don't. You not come move like the people don't. Most of that money are gone with people getting paid out. A whole heap of 10 to 60 get paid out and a whole heap of 100k get paid out. Whole heap of 100k get paid out. If 10 people get paid out with 100k, a $1 million that gone already with 10 people. And I don't see how much in envelope every day. Envelope. Pay stranger. Come everybody join this at a risk. I say I am the advert, me never want to say my thing. I say I am the advertiser and I join it at no own risk, but you don't know say me, so you know say things alright. Because me, I say, okay, then I know a lot of people. And once people stop coming, this is go crash, well, fine. People now stop coming now stop post. I go like say, I don't want people for kill off themselves. Look how much people Loom Crash. Yeah, the king, me, she, all of them Loom Crash. I mean, I say, no, jump on them, so. No. But because Nikki have some, you hear them. But somebody have your cream. You have your car, you have your chrome white. And you have, them talk about everything where you work, you add own money and do. Everything where you work, you add own. Anybody know this and nobody can ask the woman when was the payment that I gave her for my body. No time at all, me never in enough time alone because a long time me a come on live and tell you say me a do body. Long time. Now go like so no want come take people for eat about people at thief. The whole around know me. I'm not even whole around because I don't want none answer for me neither. Suck no mama. Most of them know me. And I don't know some blood clot genuine. And I don't know some me no thief. I don't know that. Some me no thief. I don't know I'm genuine and my heart fucking sauce. So I can't go take away how much in millions of dollars from people. I want good and feel good about that and I smile off my blood clot face. Me not do that because I ever help people. Me I sell ear and me I sell ear for a little bit and nothing and I get all $2,000 off a ear just because I want them to stop asking for my wig them. Eh? Just because I want to stop asking for the wig them, me I make $2,000 off a wig. My chrome white is one of the biggest things and I could have raised my price them because I don't have to buy them because it's bad and I still stay humble and keep it on the one level. I have my things that I not come from my life and my boss and my brother and I say, how much in? I go to bedroom set and I talk. No, you have to trouble me. You know me no walk and trouble people. You have to trouble me. And from you trouble me at this side there, you have to trouble me. No fun to talk so she hype and she this and she that. You have to trouble me. You have to trouble me. Me nah get up and just jump on somebody and have to trouble me. And I know from them trouble me one time and me I start trouble them. You know go like you want to paint bad blood clot picture on people. So me supposed to work for the rest of my life for pay people where people pay out and gone with their money, everybody join at them own risk. Eh? Hey, me telling you, you know, you see anyone but me, you know, hold me, tie me up and dash with my blood clot. Because I nah do it. Me, nah do it. Everybody else think mash up. And everyone of my friend them whether they advertise too. Think them mash up and everybody make them blood click one cause guess what? You not gonna say, well, the person have this, and the person have this, but no. Nikki Chromazz have this and this and this, and Nikki Chromazz supposed to pay back, and Nikki Chromazz supposed to this. And Nikki Chromazz, they are work hard at night time. Eh? All you do is see me post and advertise and go on a drop off location. And Nikki Chromazz stand all this last and work for all a good 1 year and a people alone and get all of my money me I work for. If I so be the case, me nah blood clot walk. Me nah walk. Me nah walk. If I so be the case, me start go 195. Wait to how long me I take long for get pay now give up because me now work for give nobody. No, when me know me not take. You see as morning light, me I make sure post everybody will get pay out. I want everybody check up that and see how much money in a pay out gone. And that me want to check up. And on a fake signature, everybody go see them everybody go see them name and everybody go see them signature, everybody go see me can't do that. So now go see a real thing. I want to check up all of the smart maths people them and all of the people them who are bright and intelligent and not dark and illiterate like me. I want to check up how much money in a payout gone and I go see a so everything gone. And that's so everyone gonna feel call people thief and I know some. Why you know me just feel like for thief after all these years when me could have the thief? Eh? Why I know me feel like for thief after all these years? Me just a feel like for just go thief. No. As in no me just want thief. Look how long me could a thief. Look how long me could a thief. Eh? And I told them I want blood clot thief. Me not understand. And no fan who go like couldn't like me and is a chat through me no know me this one you know. Me this one have me know in a person. Now make my son in him cause if you chat me I got this one and son up and down no mama. Uno easier for me kill. Uno easier for me kill cause I know one of there. Right. You see people ball and show signs of weakness of course cause you're ignorant say you not expect something blow up so big. And you know what bunny cause you know say I'd laugh people I go laugh cause long time them want this. And you make a oath say you know man. Nobody laugh after you go sit down and shame every pussy hole when I like you. And yes you say everything I go tumble on and be yeah. Me get emotional as usual which everybody would do. Me get emotional so what? So what me get emotional? Hey, look you know, I'm not do it if I so be the case, you know, man. If I so be the case, me I tell you, I eat me I go for everybody. From Bob will introduce me to the man to everybody, me I go, who be a man for. The whole I make sure God blood. Make sure make a call for God eat it right blood clot now. Cause kill no dead, you know. Kill no dead, me I go work for the rest of my life to help blood clean people who don't even care about nobody. I not work for the rest of my life for this. I'm not working for the rest of my life for this. I work my hard earned money and no company, no own, no risk. I never put no gun on nobody head. And say, here what? Join. I never put no gun on nobody head. That's what you are say. What you are say? Can you see you now, girl? You love throw your shades and go on like you with people who ain't no blood clot with people, you know, girl. What you say? I make sure take my time and read out some of them something they must say. Come out of people business, that's why sometimes things blood clot reach uno can't too enough. And you saw your blood clot maga can't take one lick, girl. You say your maga you can't take one lick. Come out of people business before people licking part of your knee cup them and broke them. Come out. What about which one you coming and nothing? Hey. Pay attention to you. You coming and nothing? Cause you know we are chatting now. A people in the unite now. Girl. You know we are chatting people in the unite. You see me now, I'm not taking no disrespect from the blood clot girl, you know. And you know in there, you know, so I don't feel like if a blood clot in and no chattings with me, you know, doll. Me not feel like if in and no chattings with me, you know, doll. Jimmy blood cleat neutron, me not feel like if in and no chattings with me, you know, girl. Look, you know. Make my talk come out of people business and go like you dear blood clot pastor and Judge Judy. What make you feel like you can fix everybody blood clot things? Eh? What make you feel like you can fix everybody things? You're a Captain Save Us or Captain Blood Clot America? Eh? What make you feel like you Hey girl, look at no man come out of people business and go man. Your cousin in the sty, your cousin got dead. Where you come tell me about your cousin for girl? I mean put gun in your cousin and tell your cousin for join nothing. No one on the go like couldn't want come jump down pan people. Come out tight. Yeah, your cousin make your cousin text. And that me I tell you, anybody who in the thing nah text. And people when in the thing come and chat off them mouth. The girl, I see enough of them girl are wicked in the girl darling my things, but everything will be okay. And everything will be okay. Don't watch these people, girl, because you're going to fall back and rise. You're going to fall back and rise. You're the underneath this and run off your big blood. That's why you can't put on no weight in a broomy. Broomy, that's why you can't put on no weight in a maga blood cleat, girl. You can't put on no weight in a mop head. That is why you can't put on nothing, because you're too enough in a people blood clot business. Come out of people business, man, and go sit down. And go work, and go nail up the zinc them over whisper. You live nail up everything and make sure so when storm come, you're safe. And that you have to go worry about. You come blood clot and go like you're nice, you come about cousin. You're the cousin. Why you have so much talking at this far? You're the cousin. Don't worry the time of day you worry about people. You're going to make sure say your knee and your blood clot leg in a one. Make sure your knee and your leg in a one. Because your knee cup a push out more than your leg. You look like your blood clot knee and the cricket ball. And your blood, look a girl. Don't worry about yourself in a broomy. You hear me? I want your broomy. Come out of people business. Blood clot, you nail up your zinc them and make sure everything in a line. Because me hear say World War III I come back to Jamaica. And I come everywhere. Make sure say you're safe because your yard first I get blown over. Because you're in a people life. You're in a people life and I'll know your mattress now raise from half of the ground, you know. I'll know your mattress know how it feel like for be high. You don't know how it feel like for be half of the ground. Go worry about your life. Me telling her stop play with me because I now make none of this. Me I'm sit down, you know. Me tell her no. Make she go on because she know me and her. She know me and her because that knows so she's a battery dolly. And she not have nothing over me. You see people come and attack. Why you come have so much chat in a wagwan? For you know nothing where you go on, girl? Tell her to request the live, yes sir. That's what you do. Tell her to request my live, I'ma add her. Because the way I'm dark, me I tell her, say me I lit down everything. Make myself look worse. Because that would know. People don't open their mouth. People don't talk because what? Because what? People don't talk because what? I have to open my mouth and talk. I'm telling my friend, make sure telling her from the nitty blood click gritty go down. Because me not take no blame. I save nobody. I'm telling her this blood clot will go down. Telling her what go down. Me dear me yard. I'm here call every name. Me dear me yard. Spooky first come. Spooky say, Nikki, me hear about something name a Loom. Blah, blah, blah. You get 10 grand and you get 40,000. I say, move from here to some my youth. What you mean by get 10 grand? I say, one from here, so. I'm say, all you have to do is find 3 persons who have 10,000. So I say, so where me I go find them people there? Nobody not go trust to just get $10,000 just so. Where me I go find them people there? You understand? Done. Me no look for it. First thing first, me hear say Rebel gone tonight. Me hear say Shanice gone tonight, TC gone tonight, Fabi gone tonight, everybody gone tonight. Everybody say everybody a post, everybody a get paid, everybody a get paid. Nikki Chromazz gone tonight, everybody gone tonight. Everybody a get paid me in the same house, them time me even move yet. Them time me about 2 days before me move. And everybody there a get paid and blah blah blah. Them time me still not join. When I see them a get paid, I say, yo, how this go? Add me in it. Add me in it, how it goes. And when time them add me in that, And me say, yo, bring me in, come here, forgive my 10 grand. I don't remember. Hey, me not tell no lie for nobody, you know. Me not pick up for nobody, you know. Me not tell no lie for nobody, and me not pick up for nobody. Me want to know who exactly me give my first $10,000 for bring me behind of them. Me want remember, so no rush that story, yeah. I don't remember. Me move on from them. Alright, fine. Come here, talk straight. I don't care. Be a caller coming. Back. She could have stayed gone live long time. A long time she look a bus and all the bus so she get she still not make no money cause I be a walk, she have to walk and suck and agree for 3 some before she can get even 10,000 in a fair pocket. So I now look on the girl there. And if she want it with me and me, take it on with anybody who want to take it on with me. Secondly, Mama continue now. I remember who exactly I gave my $10,000 to for draw me is one of my friends. I not call nobody name because every man for themselves and I don't want to tell no lie for nobody for me and nobody more meet. You get me? Fine. Remember. Can't take that freeze life, I have to eat up right at the door right there, so. I never say I not call no name, no shades. Kevin, remember you in the too, you know. So I know you talk, you might know. You might not need come under my name, but you're in a room. Anyways, cause everybody and them mama the in it. Anyways, when I gave my I think my best friend go under either one of the people them in the house. I don't know if it's Poogie, I don't know if it's Fabi, I don't know if it's who. And me make she bring in me. And she bring in me and I got a paid out. I must say a lie. This true. When me get a payout, them say 10, give me 40. When me get my envelope, I never get 40, me get 30. I say, so what is? Them say you gone back in there. So you go get back another payout. You see me? I say, fine. No problem. Them time, them I move my shop and gone up a UNDN Plaza. When I dey up a UNDN Plaza, my best friend come up there with an envelope, come give me. And I say, a lie. And get another envelope. Say, SpongeBob come give me. Because first and foremost, SpongeBob come and was introducing us. He was introducing us to all of this. Because when he used to come single and introduce us, he was introducing all of us to all of this. So he used to have to explain before we even let go our money. Understand? And when I'm done, I'm going to make sure I add Dal to request my live. Yeah. Anyways, when time him introduce us, I get it, she say, yo, Bob, come with another envelope for the with your thing. I say, alright, fine, this nice. Chrissy did do it too, and Nikki Chromazz started to post. And she post and she post and she post and she get fair people them differently. Me still never collect nobody. But them I say me need people to get pay out. I'm a short of people. You know what I do? What I started to do, I gave cause his Bob was the person who used to normally come and collect the money. Me nah, I don't chat pal. No. Alright. After that, I bring in, I make sure I say it to Pasco, which is my worker. I say it to my worker them and them I say, I don't believe that blah blah blah. So I say, here what? Them say, the pay when I forget, use my pay and put me in there and if it real fine. So I say, me use your pay now and put you in there when me I get. And them say, take 10 grand and whatever and we split it. I say, fine, I put them in there and get them pay out. And my name was Pasco name in that loom. So when you used to see me, I put in Pasco, me and Pasco was one person. She get half, me get half. Me I talk the truth. If I lie, me I tell God, kill me. Alright. When we started to do that now, I saw we started to get envelope and as I said, Bob used to come and come give you the money. Bob said him not know the person to that, but them always send somebody. Them always send somebody come and him give them. But because he knows us, I didn't know my friend them and my friend them make me know him and him me give mine. Alright. Make sure behave. Yeah? I have to leave.